Here are step-by-step instructions to create a Gmail account. So let's start. Open your web browser by typing Gmail into the search bar. Click on Create Account. Fill in the required information. Enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter your date of birth and select your gender. Choose a username for your Gmail account. This will be your email address, so choose something unique. Create a password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Confirm the password. Re-enter the password to confirm. Review and accept terms of service. Carefully read Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree, click I agree or a similar button. Once you've completed the steps, you'll be redirected to your new Gmail account inbox. Click on the top right and click Mange Account. Click Personal Info. Add a recovery phone number. It's recommended to add a recovery email and phone number to help you regain access to your account if you forget your password. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Gmail account. Is this information useful? Hit the like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.